Hello and welcome to Sang Average. I am currently birding in the garden. It's a hot spring equinox day. That sawing that you can hear is garden stuff, basically. We're trying to make the garden a bit more bat friendly, and I can't remember what we need that wood for. But yeah, trying to make the garden more bat friendly, because I got a whole bunch of bat stuff, basically. So, you know, because I like bats. It's mainly pipistrelles and like small little brown bats and other little, you know. But yeah, I've got a lot of bat stuff. Why not, you know, invite them to your garden? There's a lot of bat species are unfortunately, you know, not as widespread as they have been for many reasons, human reasons and natural reasons aside. Over there somewhere, the sun is in the way, so I cannot see very well. Let me just go over there actually. I'm really struggling to get off of the floor noises. Over here somewhere, there it is. We've got a little upside down bat, and above that is a little roosting box. We've also got some seeds to plant, but we need to sort some stuff out first. So I'll get back to you on that one. Don't worry, the sun's going down and I found some shade. Reprieve at last. Oh look, crow friend.
All of it.
Oh no, okay. Goodbye, crow friend. And it's all sort of like high nectar stuff that moths and beetles and that like, as well as bats. Like night scented stock, evening primrose, all that sort of thing. We're quite close to a river, so we get a lot of gnats as well, and like mosquitoes and things, which they eat. So it's kind of sort of like a perfect sort of spot for them, really, isn't it? You read the paper now that the dirt's all over it. Does it not say anything good on it? Just a little like, thank you for purchasing this. We also do bees and, you know. That's what the little boxes look like, by the way. The little tiny, teeny things. And inside you get a little instruction thing that says how to do it. Happy scatters. And like a little sort of like dung beetle roll of seeds. Roughly a finger's space between each one. Well, that's one pot out of, what was it, 3? I think we have got more pots somewhere. Good luck trying to figure out where they are. But they're somewhere. At least we're doing this in the shade now.
I bring these up because we have foxes round who like to dig up the plants. Mind you, the cats like to come round and poop in them as well.
Alright, you don't have to do like David Attenborough.
You don't want me proper voice, do ya?
Well done. 1. Not that one. 2. Not that one either. 3. And now we just wait for them to do what they do and give them generous amounts of water because apparently they're thirsty. Alright, we on. There you go. Have some. Oh, this watering can's heavy. At least this is in the shade, so I'm not taking tick damage in the bloody sun anymore. So my body thinks it's a mecket. 2. I'm trying to give them roughly the same amount of water for each one. They need generous watering. That's about half full. So this watering can's a bit heavy when it's full up. Great. And the daffodils. I was going to call them dandelions for a minute. I get those two mixed up a lot and I don't know why. And the rest of it for the one as well. Empty.